Hello and welcome. This is called how to make Coca Cola hot chocolate. First thing you gotta do is you put in 2 spoons of the hot chocolate mix and you pour in the hot water. Just wait a second, gotta get some milk too. Then after that, you open up this can of Coca Cola and you pour it into this cup. Just gotta wait till it settles. Just gotta pour in a little more, just in case. And here is your Coca Cola hot chocolate maple. Or I'd say Coca Cola maple hot chocolate. Enjoy it, bon appetit, and thank you for watching.